Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your GoCard account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gocard.translink.com.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official GoCard website. Now just click on GoCard login at the top right corner and you will see the login portal. Just type in your GoCard number, which is displayed at the back of your card. And after entering the 16-digit number, enter your account password underneath within the password box. After entering both of these information, click on the login button and you will be logged into your GoCard account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password option underneath the login button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on GoCard. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.